Starting a clothing brand sounds expensive until you actually realize that AI can help you actually create the designs and Printful can help you scale and deliver those products. I've got a great one for you today, folks. So let's get into the video. All right, folks. So if you want the best place to essentially design a logo or something for your e-commerce brand, put it on a cup, a hat, a t-shirt, Printful is the place to do it, guys. They are affordable. They are effective. Their quality assurance is absolutely on point. We have actually tested this, and my favorite bit is that you can actually connect with places like Etsy and Shopify. So it just streamlines your entire experience when it comes to your e-commerce business, and we are going to show you how good it is based on all of that. So the first thing I'm going to essentially do is going to basically create a little order. We're going to do a new order. I've already come up with an AI generation. So I actually used ChatGPT to use a little AI gen of a funny little dog riding a bike with a little umbrella. Okay, so that's the image we're going to use. All right, folks, so we're going to go ahead and create a new product with that interesting AI design I've come up with. Okay, so we're going to go over here to the My Products section on the left here. All right, folks, so now we are in the My Products section, and I want to press this red button here and go create a product. So on our new AI generated image that we did create. Okay, so today I think we're going to go for the all-over print bodycon dress. So we're going to go ahead and select that one there. What I really like is it shows things like bestsellers. For example, this iPhone case. And not only that, but it actually shows the individualized profit per item. Look at this, for example, right here. Profit, 48% on this iPhone case, 39% on this here. And I've chosen this one here at 46% profit. All right, so let's click on bodycon dress right here. All right, so what's great is you can see all of like the different angles, and these models are kind of like realistic in showing how the outfit in this case actually looks here. Okay, got a couple different models on there as well, and some interesting facts as well. Like for example, UPF 50 plus friendly there. You got a take away care label there if you want to just tear that away. Okay, stretch fabric. Okay, moisture wicking fabric. All right, above the knee length. So all this stuff is really good data to know beforehand. Now we're going to go ahead and start designing right here. All right, ready to design your first AOP product. Gives a little tutorial there. Okay, just in case you want to watch that there, and if you just understood that, you can press got it. Right here, upload or drop your design here. So we've got our AI generated design using ChatGPT very easily. It took really just about 30 seconds to go ahead and do that. What's also pretty cool is they've actually got a few files already in the library and some recommendations for this particular style of outfit. But what we're going to do for today is we're going to do a brand new one, something like cute dog bike here, and that will drop on in just a moment. And here it is here, okay, our cute dog there. We're going to apply that there, all right? And if you come into a problem like this, for example, if the image is too big, what's really great is they have a bit of a scale down feature, which you can use as well. We just want to select that like that, do little things like kind of like repositioning and stuff like that. We just want to make it a bit bigger, put it maybe there, a bit more center, scale it down a bit more. Generate that image with AI. You can do it for like your own personal branding, anything you can come up with these days using AI. So we're going to go ahead for the purpose of this example and save it. Okay. And look at that. Product template is created. So then we go back to the My Product section here. Okay. And as you can see, it's right there. Bodycon dress right up the top. Got the sizes, everything's there. And when you're ready, you can simply just go ahead and hit publish. And then you'd simply go ahead and select your store, okay? So you got to have your Shopify or your Etsy connected up. And again, guys, this is just super cool. What I love about this is that there's no inventory. There's no pre-orders. There's no waste here on Printful. It's fantastic. Then when you're ready to actually go ahead and do your orders, guys, it all happens on demand, okay? There's absolutely no faff whatsoever. Everything is printed and shipped on demand. You control the storefront, your brand identity, and your client, as well as your own experience on this journey. And just remember, folks, use AI, something like ChatGPT, a tool to integrate, create your design, and get it on here. You can sort of like use it as well to discover interesting trending niches. Give it smart prompts, create smart sort of like images and brand designs, and get them on t-shirts, hats, cups, all these kinds of different accessories that Printful gives you direct direct access to, connect it to your Shopify after, and sell. This is essentially going to enable you to be creative and scale efficiently and effectively. And the thing is, you're going to really be able to start branding like a pro with things like custom packaging, brand labels, inserts. All you need to do is focus all your energy on marketing and growth. Leave all the heavy lifting to Printful. And not just that, guys, but I also want to show you they have some fantastic 5-star reviews on Trustpilot as well. 4.8 5-star reviews, 2375 reviews with a 4.8 star and 4.6 star on Trustpilot with 6,936 reviews. That is absolutely unbelievable. So folks, what are you doing? You don't need a warehouse or hundreds of staff to get started on your dream. Your brand, folks, can be live today with zero upfront cost. The link to sign up will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. I recommend you could go for the Printful Growth Popular package here, okay, where it's going to be $24.99 a month. But again, guys, start a 14-day free trial, okay? What more do you need, folks? Let me know in the comment section below. If you got any questions, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe and turn notification bells on so you don't miss out on other hot AI reviews to help scale your small, medium, or large business.